You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will give you access to your car's indicators. Our 2008 2 was fitted with LED headlights. This meant that it was only possible to change the indicator light bulb. To replace the indicator light bulbs, remove the cover. Take the bulb board and make a rotation anti-clockwise. Everything should come out easily. To remove the bulb, push and unscrew a quarter turn.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, it's also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the parts for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb in the base. Then insert the assembly into the lamp and rotate it a quarter turn to the right. Put the cover back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.